nyinga Milton Ochieng Awuor. Riwruok mar jobuge chapa e pacho ka onyiso luoro margi ni sirikal odeko chulogi gope maromo $11.4 gino ma gilero ni nyalo kelo deko e go buge mag gred apar chapa. Jakom mar riwruogno Kiarie Kamau owacho ni kwan buge madwarore ni gred mar apar e pacho ka gin $7,000,000 mabiro kawo gi ndalo 60 go chapa bang'e ndalo 30 e keyogi ne skunde. Kamau nojiwo ber mar rito saa mondo mi kalenda mar somo kik yud ng'ikruok.
The next major textbook supply is scheduled to happen between this month of October and December this year. It will focus on the supply of grade 10 textbooks, which is actually the first level of senior school. This is a major national project which involves 21 different publishing firms, and collectively, all these 21 publishing firms will be supplying 35 different textbooks and literary works for grade 10 learners. We, as a Kenya Publishers Association, are deeply concerned that publishers are currently facing severe financial constraints due to outstanding payments from previous textbook supplies which we made to the government of Kenya. As we speak today,